What's something I want to know about IM life no one wants you about? Like, there's something only like students who get into IM knows. And how do students like handle certain situations which are very unique to IM life only?
There's this one myth that everybody talks about कि IM चले गए तो बस life set है. I think that is not really matlab, true. There are a lot of things, maybe some things I can't even talk about here.
There's so much negativity around placements that people or students are being over promised blindly.
There were fewer companies coming in, and even they were the companies that were coming in, they were also taking fewer number of students. So the condition was really bad, and there's nothing to lie about that.
How do students handle their stress or maybe depression, mental health issues?
So I think MBA does open a lot of opportunities for you. So ऐसा नहीं है जिसने MBA नहीं किया they won't reach there. It's just that they would take 5-6 years more just because of that degree that they don't have.
तो जस्ट जनरली बेसिकली कि स्टूडेंट्स अभी अपने स्पेशली जो अभी एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं कैसे अपने मेंटल हेल्थ का ख्याल रख सकते हैं राइट कैसे बेसिकली वन मंथ स्ट्रेस ना ले दैट्स द मेन थिंग आई वांट टू आस्क यू.
If you get your CAT slot and the time slot, make sure कि उस time slot में बैठ के you're giving mocks so that your body is prepared to give those 2 hours at that particular time.
Hi everyone, happy Diwali to all of you. We are here with Nandini, who has done her MBA from IIM Indore. She was also rank 1 in IPM batch. And at the same time, today we are here to discuss mainly about IIM life. What is the reality of placements? What are things you need to develop in your profile or work on your profile so that you can ensure good college that is top, top 5 IIMs, IIM Blackie, BT Ahmedabad, Indore, Bangalore, Lucknow, etc. So Nandini, hi, how are you? Welcome to this session.
Hey, thank you so much for having me.
Okay.
Happy Diwali, everyone.
Okay. So, Nandini, my very first question, let's get the elephant out of the room that there's so much negativity around placements that people or students are being over promised blindly. At the same time, there have been some news of signing an opt-out form by students themselves, which created a lot of stir last year. So, what is the situation now in your college in IIM Indore, as well as like you have been a student who has just passed out, right? Just passed from
Right.
Indore. So you must having a better idea on how the placements are, and do you think situation will get better this year and next year?
Yeah, so there are a lot of things, maybe some things I can't even talk about here, but I'll be very honest in what I'm telling. So we can start with our summer placements. So that happened in 2024, and sorry, 2023 is when we had our summer internship interviews. So at that time, the market condition was really bad, and there were fewer companies coming in, and even the companies that were coming in, they were also taking fewer number of students. So the condition was really bad, and there's nothing to lie about that because that is something that everybody knows. But if we compare that from the final placements that happened in 2024, the condition improved a lot. For our batch also, there were a lot of companies that were coming. So if I talk specifically about IIM Indore, the placement process is a bit longer, the placement week as in maybe in IIM ABC, the week is a bit smaller, but in IIM Indore, it's long. But throughout the week and even after that, there were a lot of good companies that kept coming in. So there's this myth that अगर आप day zero, day one पे place नहीं हुए तो उसके बाद तो कोई अच्छी
हाँ,
कंपनी आएगी ही नहीं.
हाँ,
But trust me guys, मतलब during this final placements, this is what I observed कि हर 2-3 दिन बाद there were good companies that were coming in, good in terms of brand names, in terms of packages that were offered and even roles. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि शुरू में ही प्लेस हो गए तो आगे नहीं हो गए. If we talk about false promises, तो सी मतलब there's this one myth that everybody talks about कि IIM चले गए तो बस life set है. I think that is not really matlab true. You have to do a lot. मतलब when you go to IIM, you get so overwhelmed कि सब लोग इतना कुछ करके आए. There'll be CAs in your batch. There'll be people who are preparing for IAS interviews. तो मतलब उनकी knowledge that they can give in the interview, final placements के time पे will be a lot different from you. So
yes.
there are people जो बहुत different background से हैं. You'll suddenly feel like an imposter there. बट बट आई थिंक अगर आप वहां जाके भी इफ यू कीप पुटिंग इन द हार्ड वर्क जो आपने कैट के लिए प्रिपेयर करने के लिए किया है, देन इट्स फाइन. मतलब इवन इन बैड मार्केट कंडीशंस, द आईएम्स, दे they offer a minimum number of interviews. So that is what they officially say कि हाँ आपको every student. So this is what I can vouch for. Everyone in my batch interviews. I'm not even talking about just the shortlist, but they got around 20 to 25 interviews सबको मिले थे campus पे. And if students were not even able to crack from them, उसके बाद भी placement committee keeps trying to get in more interviews for them.
So, see, is it like a lot of people say that, of course, 100% agree with you that we generally get what we deserve, right? 100%.
Hmm.
Even after you crack an exam, which is already very competitive, when you reach college, it's even more competitive, right? It's even more difficult.
Yeah.
You are not going to get easy that, okay, now you are into the IM, things will be easy, your placements will be taken care of, you have done your work, and now college will take care of you. You know, you have to still take care of yourself. But do you like think that a lot of people say you just have to be in top 10% of like of the students in your college and your placements will be better? Whereas the other school of thought is no, your profile should be very good before entering the college, and that contributes a lot to your placement rather than how you perform in the college. That is hardly like 30% weightage towards your placement.
I think both the schools of thought are correct. So I think what people tell you are is from different experiences. जब आप when you join college, immediately first term में you have to make your resume, summer placements की तैयारी start हो जाती है, and you get your summer placement interview start second term से. So at that time आपने MBA में कितना किया, that doesn't really matter that much because one term में how much could you have done in that one term, and that is not something you can show on your resume also that much. Maybe clubs or committees, but that is the extent of it. So for summer placements, definitely whatever you have done before your MBA, that matters a lot in your resume because अब जिस भी college में हो, आप सब लोग उसी college में हैं. So that college does not make a difference then.
Right.
Then it is what you have done before entering your college. But for final placements, definitely if your grades matter a lot.
Hmm.
So if you're in the top 5 percentile, there's this thing called director's merit list, which
Hmm.
almost all IIMs have. थोड़ा name शायद सबका अलग होगा, but director's merit list, which is the top 5 percentile of the batch. So
Okay.
in IIM Indore, there were 600 students. So top 30 students will be the top 5 percentile. They definitely do have this differentiating factor because companies are basically coming to IIM Indore because they feel because of the academic rigor or whatever you have learned here. So if you're in the top 5 percentile, that somehow companies feel maybe you are a bit better than the rest of the students. So
So that means, like, what my takeaway learning is for a fresher, they can't do much about their profile before entering the college because even if they work really hard and everything, they can't really match up to someone who has 2 to 3 years of experience. So now
true.
freshers have no other option but to be in top of 5 percentile in their college to get very good placements, right? But apart
Yeah.
from that, are there any key ingredients, especially for a fresher, they can do apart from their scores? Of course, scores are very important, but apart from scores they can do like for their profile because they have hardly 6 months, maximum 1 year to work on their profile so that they can get a fair chance of interview or maybe selection into a top IM.
Yeah, sure. So there's a lot that they should also do. Matlab, your grades is one thing, but if you have just grades, I've seen people who have just grades, that also, those people also do not get very good shortlists. So you need to have a balanced profile, and it varies from domain to domain. Like consulting would be looking for something different, finance for something else. In general, I think one thing that you can do maybe before your MBA is first be active in extracurricular activities. So make sure you have some positions of responsibility in your undergrad. So that shows that you have leadership qualities. You can work in a team. So 2 3 PORs you should try and take in your college. Then you can work on case comms. Case comms is also very important because if you not just for your resume, but if you build a habit of doing case comms, up MBA में आके you can actually get pre-placement interviews through case comms as well.
Okay.
So that is one thing. Apart from that, another thing, internships अगर brand name में आपको कोई मिल जाए तो that is really good. But even if you can not, if you're not able to do that, try to do some internships as well. If you're looking to make a career in finance, CFA and FRM are also two certifications that you can definitely go for. Consulting also actually values these certifications. So
Okay, okay, okay. See, like in IIMs, we have again heard this that students are very much overworked. बर्नट आउट, बहुत प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं, बहुत कुछ ना कुछ कुछ चलता ही रहता है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर ऑलवेज बी समथिंग गोइंग ऑन इन द पर्सनल लाइफ एज वेल, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then it leads to some unnecessary stress for like no reason, but still, like, you're not able to focus, and a lot of mental health issues as well. Not everyone talks about, but few students have come out and spoken about, those who are running their YouTube channels, right, on Instagram. So how, the point is, of course, that is a problem not just in IIMs but all over the world these days. But how do students handle their stress or maybe depression, mental health issues, apart from, like, competing with this, with such cohort, like वहाँ पे सभी इतने अच्छे अच्छे, like, background से आते हैं, everybody is a topper. तो ये दोनों चीजें कैसे बैलेंस करते हैं बच्चे?
That's a very good question, actually, because I have seen people in my batch, some people really close to me also, who were, struggling with mental health issues because it's such an environment, like you mentioned, it's so competitive, and every time कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है, summer placements आ गई, फिर उसके बाद exams आ गए, then final placements आ गई, मतलब it's just too hectic.
Can't sit, yes, for like 2 minutes peacefully, it feels like, yeah.
हाँ, exactly. And you have to do so much. आप अपने आसपास देखोगे, everybody is doing so much. So you are in this constant race to, perform and do better. But I think something that really helps to make you calm is first, you have some sort of support system there. So this is what, when I joined IIM Indore, my senior told me this, that you won't be able to make a lot of friends here. But if you have two, three good friends, consider yourself lucky. And it actually turned out to be true in the long run. बहुत सारे दोस्त तो होते हैं, मतलब there are friends, but those close ones who you can actually go to when you're feeling low, I think that is something that really helps, especially when you're staying in a hostel, you are away from your family, and बहुत ज़्यादा घर जाने को भी नहीं मिलता है. So that is something that really helps. And what really helped me personally was I used to talk to my mom a lot. So I'm very close to her, and whenever I had an issue or something, I would call her up. So if you have some support system at home and in college, so I think then you're covered.
That means genuine networking, basically, like,
Yeah.
genuine level. Because,
Huh.
like, not only it helps you during college, but might be after that, if you have really,
After.
made
Huh.
genuine bonds and met
Huh.
good people, right? ये तो है, I
Yeah.
agree. But at the
Huh.
same time, I agree, friendship, basically true friendship या true friends, single digit में ही होते हैं, like wherever you go.
Exactly.
Someone
Yeah.
has two-digit friends, then maybe they have not seen the world yet, I feel.
हाँ.
Yeah.
मतलब वो नेटवर्किंग के लिए that is good, that हाँ,
हाँ.
you should have a network of people that you know and
Right.
you're friends with, but वो close
For
वाले.
crisis situation, yes, you can
Yeah.
turn to people maximum single digit. You can't have more than, like,
True.
yes, more than maybe 10 friends or so, actually.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what's something I want to know about IM life no one wants you about? Like, there's something only like students who get into IM knows. And how do students like handle certain situations which are very unique to IM life only?
So something that nobody, एक तो I've already spoken about that I am जाके everybody outside thinks I am चले गए तो life बन गई. Our parents also think the same कि अब चले गए, now your life is set, but it's not like that. Second thing I think which is very specific to IIMs or MBA colleges in general, I think is when you enter your first term, you don't know that what is about to hit you. It's actually you have to start making your resumes, you have to get into clubs and committees. You suddenly enter into a tri-semester system, which earlier you were not aware of. And so we have 3 semesters in a year. So her semester is just 3 months, which means you'll have a midterm cycle, you'll have an end term cycle, you'll have quizzes, presentations, everything within 3 months. So it's just exams, and it's surprise quizzes also.
Okay.
So I think the amount of pressure that suddenly comes to you in the first term. So everybody in MBA colleges knows this, that first term, if you survive first term, there's this thing in I think I'm Ahmedabad where there's PGP1 survivor. So first term and the first year is the most hectic one.
Okay.
So, and specifically first term. So one thing that you can do to handle this is resume का there सबसे ज़्यादा pressure is resume बनाना. So if you try and network, so while you're giving CAT, once you think you have a decent percentile, one thing that you can do is start networking with seniors. So one year senior people who are already in IIMs, try to get a sample resume template for them from them. I'm sure you must have done a lot of things, but you start filling that resume because initially you have to prepare a 3 to 4 page resume, which then you shrink it to one pager. That is a whole process that you'll get to know, but thoda sa start listing down whatever you have done, start
Correct.
preparing that template and start collecting proofs. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत आती है. So IIMs का resume checking process is very rigorous. So they require proof for each and every word that you have written in your resume. मतलब if there is a case com which is say whatever consulting case com, but you have mentioned national consulting case com and your certificate does not mention national, तो national हटवा देंगे वहां से.
Yeah.
सो यू शुड मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव प्रूफ फॉर एवरीथिंग. स्कूल में कुछ करा है उसके प्रूफ इकट्ठे कर लो.
Mhm.
कॉलेज में कुछ भी करा है, कीप ऑल द सर्टिफिकेट्स, ऑल द आपने इंटर्नशिप्स जो करी हैं, यू हैव टू मेंशन द पॉइंट्स.
Hmm.
You have to get the approval from at the rate that suppose PwC में किया है तो your manager should approve it from PwC की email ID at the rate pwc.com, not Gmail. So
Oh,
these are some things that
so
that people don't know.
exactly. Yeah.
So
So yeah, I think this was a very good insight because even I didn't
yeah,
know this. Yeah,
yeah,
this is new for me as well. So I hope students will find this useful and will start preparing accordingly, like their profile.
yeah,
See, there are so many equally good colleges. I am tagged to बहुत अच्छा है ही. But let's say, for example, there are IITs and there are some, Ivy Leagues, etc. But I feel
yeah.
when, especially when it comes to IIMs, apart from hard skills, just like any other college, कि भाई अगर आप corporate में जाओ कैसे होगा, soft skill is something which they focus a lot on. A student's personality changes when they enter and then when they exit a college. This is something I've been seeing for many years. So I just want to ask you the things you learn, especially apart from technical skills you learn in the college. Like आप ग्रुप में जो प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हो मिलके बहुत सारी चीजें होती है वो कैसे आपको आगे कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ एक एमबीए आई कैन से यस एमबीए लाइफ के लिए प्रिपेयर करती है सेम टाइम सो मेनी पीपल हु हैव नॉट डन एमबीए आल्सो वर्क इन कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ how basically this entire career becomes easier for someone who does MBA and then goes ahead with that kind of career.
तो आई थिंक एमबीए डज ओपन अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर यू. सो ऐसा नहीं है जिसने एमबीए नहीं किया दे वोंट रीच देयर. इट्स जस्ट दैट दे वुड टेक 5-6 years more just because of that degree that they don't have. Maybe they're more skilled, maybe they're more experienced, but वो degree की वजह से that will hold them back. So that is there. But the soft skills also, I think handling pressure is one thing. When you have 10 things to do at the same time, आईएम में वो पूरा 2 years तक आपको कांस्टेंट प्रेशर बना रहेगा. सो यू नो हाउ टू डील विद इट. अब कॉर्पोरेट में जाके यू नो अगर मुझे 2-3 दिन ऑल नाइटर भी मारना है आई विल बी एबल टू डू दैट बिकॉज आई हैव दैट आई हैव लर्न दैट थिंग फ्रॉम कॉलेज. आई नो हाउ टू हैंडल प्रेशर. आई वोंट गेट ओवरवेल्म्ड by that. So that is one thing. Second is, I think, the culture. So IIMs may only go there when we are fresh. When we are fresh into the first year, we see how the seniors nurture us. They help us a lot. This is something that we also imbibe ki हाँ, our seniors sat with us for hours trying to help us build our resume for our extracurricular activities. So then we also have the sense of responsibility कि अब हमारे juniors आएंगे. So this is something that we have to do. So
Yeah.
I think this sense of community and this culture that develops, that is very important. And ये आगे जाके भी help करता है. I know some senior that I don't even know if I contact them, वो just I am Indore देख के they would be ready to help me more than somebody else probably.
Yes, yes. I so basically an alumni help network
Yeah.
and definitely the opportunity quality and the kind of opportunity that I always agree
Yeah.
that without IIM degree, of course, one may reach if they're very hardworking, talented, no doubt about it. But
Yeah.
then things will be easier for sure. Things will be faster to wherever they want to reach, especially when it
Yeah.
comes to, for example, a certain position in a company or commanding a certain package. IIM definitely makes those things easier, right?
Yeah,
You student.
exactly.
My next question is actually a little irrelevant because there's so much debate on work-life balance. But when students take this exam, for example, CAT to reach IIMs, nobody who has this work-life balance can crack such kind of exam because only 2%, top 2 or 3% people get into top 5 or 6 IIMs, isn't it? Similarly, as we
Yeah.
are talking about college की इतना ज़्यादा competitive environment है, बहुत कम break मिलता है for your personal life and anything. तो मतलब college is teaching you throughout for like इफ नथिंग किसी का एक बार में एग्जाम क्रैक होता है एक साल आपने एग्जाम प्रिपेयर किया 2 साल आपने कॉलेज में भाई बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत की तो 3 years of the total hard work there is no work life balance but still there's so much debate on work life balance and we see time and again that anybody who is on top 2 or 3% doesn't really have work life balance for some years in their life. I agree that it should be there because of course we have one life, we need to
Yeah.
enjoy it. But at the same time, we can't achieve anything if we just like, think about this. We have to give 2 or 3 years just to work or just to studies to like, to jump maybe 3 years, 5 years in your career, right? Or to make that fast track
Yeah.
space and to reach somewhere. So what do you think? Because I'm very sure majority of students are competing so much that they're working hard even after they get the job. And even in job, there's a lot of competition, isn't it?
Yeah. So,
What is your, I would say not just what do you think, but what is your message to students who are listening and like सबका अपना अपना है work life balance में, what is your take and what you would like to convey?
so my take is I think a lot of people won't like what I'll say, but I think during the initial 2, 3 years of your life, I think giving some part of that work-life balance, I'm not saying कि हाँ पूरे time सिर्फ काम ही करते जा रहे हो and to a point that it's affecting your health, of course not that much, but some bit of pushing yourself, I think would really help you to because we also have to understand when you're coming from as a fresher, the kind of responsibilities that I'm getting in my job also, most of the people around me who have not done an MBA, they're much, much older than me. So, of course, they have that 10 years of experience that would help them in their job, which I don't have. So, I'll have to work harder than them if first to prove myself also that I'm worthy of this position, and second to get ahead, I'll have to put in that extra work to compensate for the experience maybe that they have. Even for somebody coming with work ex, they will still be 5, 6 years ahead of other people who have not done MBA.
Yeah.
So initially, you'll have to, I think, put in a little more work, and I think that is warranted in the early the early part of your career. But
Mm.
eventually, I've seen and I've talked to my seniors also. Eventually, you should, and most of the people do move towards a better work-life balance and they try to find roles that fit them better. Maybe somebody would like a remote role, even if they have to work a bit extra, because that is how they think they can balance it. So then you get in a position after 3, 4 years where you can afford to do that.
To do that. I agree. I agree.
Yeah.
I generally tell my students that when you're young, you do not have too many responsibilities of anything
Yeah.
else. That time just give your best. Do not worry about work
Yeah.
life balance. ऐसा नहीं है कि work life balance नहीं है तो कुछ करो ही नहीं friends. Of course
हाँ.
weekend मत काम करो friends से घूमो फिरो काम का
Yeah.
मत. But when
हाँ.
you have to work, तब just give a little more, push a little more because it's not about anything else. If you reach your potential, potential भी आप में है, talent है, उसको hone करना पड़ेगा. वो एकदम से तो पता चलेगा नहीं. 2, 3 years
हाँ.
of hard work struggle लगेगा. And once you reach your potential, same hard work में आपका 2x 3x output होगा and things will get easy.
Exactly.
Be less hard.
Yeah.
Half hard work में आप उतना ही output दे रहे होगे and then you can
हाँ.
easily choose a work life balance. But till then भले ही आप में talent है potential वो आपको अपने आप पता नहीं चलेगा till you push yourself a bit for like couple of years. So
Yeah.
always
Exactly.
I tell them कि उसको work life balance को negatively देखना hard. इससे अच्छा आप ये सोचो कि it will make your life easier, things easier. If you just push for
Yeah.
yourself for two to
Yeah.
three years. All right.
And
So
MBA करने के बाद I think you do so in MBA colleges also we have so many things to do but आप किसी भी MBA वाले से पूछो I don't think they have enjoyed that much ever in their life जितना वो those 2 years में हम the amount of parties and the enjoyment that is there. So I think you also learn how to balance that कि ठीक है weekdays पे if you're putting 3, 4 hours extra than what you had thought of, weekends पे you'll compensate, you'll go out, you'll enjoy and do that.
yes. Also ये भी है कि
Yeah.
जब when a group really struggles very hard, then those are the best memories any which ways.
Exactly, yeah.
स्ट्रगल होता है सबका मिलके तो
Uh,
बेस्ट whenever they get small like 1 or 2 days once in maybe 10 days a week तो वो enjoyment याद रहता है कि
uh,
बहुत मुश्किल से you have to earn it basically.
earn that.
तो वो
Yeah.
होता है yes. So we are towards the end of the interview, Nandini. Like
Yeah.
thank you so much. Do you have any last minute motivation because like teachers, students, all of us like really going through a lot of stress. Only 1 month is there for CAT exam and आपने वही rank 1 like आपका रहा IPM में आपने क्रैक किया है तो जस्ट जनरली बेसिकली कि स्टूडेंट्स अभी अपने स्पेशली जो अभी एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं कैसे अपने मेंटल हेल्थ का ख्याल रख सकते हैं राइट कैसे बेसिकली 1 मंथ स्ट्रेस ना ले दैट्स द मेन थिंग आई वांट टू आस्क यू
I think now is not the time कि आप सारे topics कर रहे हो या कुछ कर रहे हो. I think mock test देते रहो. That is something that would really help you. And then find out कौन से topics हैं where you need extra help and then focus on those particular topics. सब कुछ लेके इस time पे बैठोगे तो I think that will get very stressful for you and I don't think that will do you good also. So
Right.
make sure you're doing that and साथ में take out some time. So even when I was having stressful situations during preparation or during MBA, I would make sure कि at least 1-2 hours in the day I have something I do something that I like. For example, college में I used to go for swimming, घर में I used to do yoga. So या friends के साथ चले जाओ. Something take out at least 2 hours in a day for yourself.
That helps you be more productive when you come back to
Yeah.
studies. और मुझे लगता है जो
Yeah.
हॉबीज भी थोड़ी डिफरेंट रखो, स्पेशली व्हेन यू प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर competitive एग्जाम्स, बिकॉज ऐसा बस
Yeah.
honestly बहुत रेयर होता है, बट वन और टू स्टूडेंट्स टेल मी दैट माय हॉबी इज रीडिंग. आई टेल देम वेरी गुड, मैं वीआरसी फैकल्टी हूँ तो ऑफ कोर्स रीडिंग इज समथिंग आई वुड लव यू टू हैव, बट प्लीज डोंट कीप दिस एज योर हॉबी. जब आप पढ़ाई के अलावा डू समथिंग एंटायरली डिफरेंट, मे बी आउटसाइड
Yeah.
वॉकिंग, friends, talking
Yeah.
to friends, table tennis, anything you like, but go out and do something else which does not require reading or studying at all. Tabhi
Yeah. That.
come back, yes, you will be able to focus more.
Uh,
You can't have any hobby related to your regular thing, isn't it? हाँ, अगर हाँ आप
yeah. That
स्पोर्ट्स
is true.
पर्सन हो तो रीडिंग आपकी हॉबी समझ आती है, बट someone
हाँ.
preparing for this exam, reading can't be your hobby, at least right for now. It should be.
Take your time, मतलब take your mind off it. मतलब reading is सबसे for the and one more thing that you can do, which I used to do is I keep my study time short. मतलब short, but more number of times. So I'll study for 1 hour, then I'll take a break. Sometimes I'll study for half an hour, take a break. That helps me be more productive. कि
Yes.
I have something to look forward to because वैसे भी concentration 45 minutes 1 hour से ज़्यादा उतनी नहीं रह पाती है. So make sure पूरे दिन में बहुत बार आप पढ़ रहे हो बट थोड़े 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 कम टाइम के
यस,
लिए.
टेकिंग फ्रीक्वेंट ब्रेक, जितना भी फोकस है
हाँ.
आपका, मुझे लगता है वो
हाँ.
ब्रेक ऐसे प्री डिसाइडेड हो तो बहुत अच्छा होता है, बिकॉज कोई नोटिफिकेशन आया फोन में, हाफ एन आवर कब निकल गया पता ही नहीं चलता है. तो
हाँ.
इट्स बेटर यू प्लान योर ब्रेक्स. ठीक है, आफ्टर एवरी 1 आवर आई टेक अ 10 मिनट ब्रेक, फिर आई
या.
कम बैक, आई फोकस फॉर 1 आवर, देन जो भी 5 मिनट, टेन
हाँ.
मिनट फिर चलो हाफ एन आवर का ब्रेक चाहिए, स्टडी फॉर 1.5 or 2 आवर्स, देन टेक अ हाफ एन आवर ब्रेक. बट
या.
डिसाइड व्हेन यू विल कम बैक. अगर आप 3 बजे,
हाँ.
3:30 मुझे आना है उसके टाइम पे, तो अगर पहले से प्री डिसाइडेड आपका पूरा ब्रेक एंड एवरीथिंग, then
then-
taking as many breaks in fact is not a problem but advisable, because without breaks आप focus भी नहीं कर सकते, you
oh.
can't be productive. Right, right.
And one thing that cat actually some of my friends who really scored very good in cat they told me was once you get your cat slot and the time slot make sure कि उस time slot में बैठ के you're giving mocks so that your body is prepared to give those 2 hours at that particular time. So कई बार बहुत सुबह का slot है and maybe you're not used to studying in the morning. So make sure that उस particular time slot में you're giving mocks closer to the actual exam. So
Yes,
that
I
is
agree.
one.
Yes, that helps. So in exam you
Yeah.
don't feel like out of place या कुछ नया है,
Yeah.
हाँ ये तो हमारा रोज का है, अभी तो हम
रोज.
कर ही
हाँ.
exactly. Yes.
कर ही रहते.
I
Your
hope
body is prepared.
एडमिट कार्ड जल्दी आ जाना चाहिए, बट
हाँ.
yeah, let's see. So
Yeah.
yes, we are towards the end of the interview, Nandini. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for joining and giving your time.
Thank you.
Like please help like in future as well, whenever कुछ अगर हमें जरूरत पड़ेगी, हमारे स्टूडेंट से कुछ क्वेश्चंस होंगे कमेंट्स में, तो अगर आप थोड़े से
Sure.
कर दोगे
हाँ.
उनको, तो इट विल बी.
You guys can reach out comments में कहीं भी you can.
And yes,
I'll
you
always
can
be there
reach out
to.
Nandini because she makes a lot of good content regarding IIM's MBA life. Her profile will be in the description below. उनकी प्रोफाइल लिंक होगी तो आप उनको फॉलो करके उन्हें भी भाई कमेंट से पूछ सकते हो डायरेक्टली उनके प्रोफाइल में भी. So thank you so
Yeah.
much, Nandini. Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much everyone for listening to us.
Yeah.
Have a
Thank you for having me here, ma'am. Thank you.